Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
If your cat is coughing and hacking but not bringing anything up, it may be experiencing respiratory issues like asthma, allergies, or infections. Monitor the frequency and severity of the coughing. If it persists or is accompanied by wheezing, labored breathing, or lethargy, consult your vet for a thorough evaluation and appropriate treatment.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.